Hi, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So let's start our class now, yeah. Okay. So please today I want to complete for this question, yeah. Okay, so and then for teacher, right? So before the 5 p.m., not 5 p.m., 5 minutes before the class. So you may can join early lah. So 4:25. Okay, 4:25, yeah. Okay, so for last week, right, teacher already teach you the step one, which is doing the maklumat tambahan, and then included do the extra pelarasan. This one, every time you must do the way how to do for your Kaedah analysis is same. Okay, same method, same step. So please do it familiar. Okay, so for your first exam, either come up for this topic or come out your Form 4 Chapter 8 again, or come out both. Understand? So please get ready for your first exam and you must date within 35 minutes. Okay, yeah? Okay, I found that a lot of students, right? So even teacher guide you already, you're able to answer my question, but you're not able to do your own. Why? Because some students, they learn with teacher, personal class and a group class. And then for personal class, I will ask them to on the spot do for me. Okay, I check the answer over here, all the things there. So I found that like the PHR, right? So they forgot to do the pertambahan PHR, that one, the couple. Even the SN, susut nilai, where is it? So they also do know, after doing the susut nilai, then must do themselves, okay, susut nilai terkumpul included. So like this ones, right? So teacher explained to you why we do separately here. But even us, there's almost the similar questions, but they still add on, okay, add on. Can, yeah? Okay, so please get for those who, of course, that one is I just can check for those who personal class with teacher. But for some of you, you only join the group class. So please, you must do your own, yeah. Don't close the books, yeah. Okay. Okay, so come back here. You see, teacher do the amended here, the number 4 here, PHR. I give the wrong formula here, so sorry. Okay, so for these ones, right, we recalculate for the PHR number 4 here, PHR number 4 here. Please do the adjustment here, the AWA, right? So we change to RQ. I give the wrong formula already, so sorry here. Okay, so the AWA you change to the RQ. So please, everyone. Okay, so go back to refer your step one, and then do the amended there. For those who didn't copy, right, so you can't do the amended lah. That's why teacher asks you, no matter you copy during the class or after the class, you must do the homework. Okay, for those who didn't do the homework, sure you mostly fail exam. Okay, so now you see, come back here. For this one, ABT, right? Account belum terima. So you see the whole question, we got a lot of the account belum terima. We got a 8,003, 9,002, and then we got a 34,500 and 1,800, isn't it? Right? Okay, so and then teacher already slash to you, which is you take from the RQ. So which one is the RQ? What figure is represent RQ? Come, online student, you can give me. Okay, online student, can't give me your answer. Hello, online student. Okay, every time you must give me the answer, otherwise I will call your name. And then some parents, right, will ask you to on the video. I forgot to inform you already. Okay, for those who please maybe you on the video. Okay, so for parents, right, got talk to the teacher personally. So must on the video. Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, Rachel teacher already upload to the video. You must refer back the video, yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay. So you must because teacher already guide you the account kawalan belum terima, how to get it. Okay, guide you all. So as long as this question kaedah analysis, so the method how to do which is same. Okay. So now come back here. RQ, come. How about others? Jaden, Joshua, Kitersha, Shihao, Wasim. So we recalculate the RQ. How much is it? RQ. Who can give me the answer? Okay. So AQ, right, which is a represent direct AQ. So this is the direct AQ. Okay, so which is a 9,002. Understand? Very good, Joshua. 9,002. Can ya? So write down here 9,002. Okay, so come, who can give you the answer? 9,002 times 5% equals to what she say? 460. Okay, thanks, Wasim. So, and then come back here, do the amended here. Since this one, the new figure wrong already, and then we have to do amended as well for your pertambahan PSR. The formula is same, just we this one 415, we change to the 460. 460, understand? So write down here 460, and then after that 460. Okay, yeah? Okay. So please, like this one, PSR using this formula, right? 100% record to the PKKAS. As I know, still got student do know where to put. Not do know, is don't remember where to put. Unless I show you the reference, then you only can answer the question. But in exam, no any reference for you to refer. Okay, yeah? Okay, so just this one, do the amended here. Okay, so next continue. Then we already done the 5 step there. So we go through the step 6, which is the AP dan you are. No matter you absent or not absent, please every time you must download and refer the redo again, yeah. Otherwise, then your parents and included your parents is so short. Hey, how come you can then the teacher said your performance is okay, then you study seriously, right? But in the exam, then you feel already. Okay, So next, continue. You see this one AP dan you are, right? It is totally same as your Form 4. Totally same as your Form 4 format. Okay, so starting from jualan and then record to the which figure, it is a totally same. Okay? Okay, wait. You cannot hear me clearly. How about others? Others can hear me clearly or not? Others can hear me clearly? Can update teacher? Oh, but here my one is a 3. Here which is a 3 full line lah. Wait I try to change to others one. Wait me a while maybe the meeting then I leave already, so you all wait for me. If let's say you all end the meeting already, then do updating teacher, you rejoin again. Wait me a while. I tried to. Yeah. Okay, how about now? Is it okay? Kitasha and Joshua, is it okay now? Okay, so do let me know. Okay, good. Okay, Wasim, good. Okay, thanks everyone. So do let teacher know and update to me. Okay, now we continue. So for this one, AP dan you are is totally same yet as your Form 4 basic. Form 4 basic, which means it's starting from jualan. You just copy paste on it and then change the numbering. So when you are change the numbering, so the place, right, we should put into the which column also same. Okay. 99% or 90% and above is mostly same lah. Just a bit changing. Okay, so later on I will guide you which part is changed already. Okay, so now you see jualan, right? So we write down here, this one is a jualan. And please do write down here, the jualan, the figure, right? 100% not take from the buku dunai here. You see, even here, you got a jualan on in the buku dunai, 28,500, isn't it? Right? So not take from here. So this one jualan issued the jumlah jualan, which is please refer your step 3. Okay, always refer your step 3. So this is the reason why teacher guide you and ask you to do the step 3. Okay, understand? So which means this one 63620. Then you see teacher already got you AP dan you are, isn't it? Then to your this one as your jualan 63620. So this is why you need to do AKBT, account kawalan belum terima last week, and why you need to do jumlah jualan last week. Okay? Okay, yeah? Okay, so now after that, dolak pulangan jualan. Can you see here? Dolak pulangan jualan. So please, everyone use your tablet, at least tablet, yeah. Okay, so now dolak pulangan jualan. What is it? Pulangan jualan. How much is it? Some they call pulangan jualan, some they call pulangan masuk. So can you see here, pulangan jualan we did in our step, the first maklumat tambahan 1520, isn't it? Right? So you bracket 1520. Okay? Then after that, we yes, minus, must minus, close bracket, bracket. So how much is it? 62100. So this one called jualan per se. Okay, huh? Okay, next, dolak kos jualan. Can? So you see, it is totally same, Can, yeah? Just a bit changing. Okay, so you see, firstly, and then after the dollar cost jualan, which is inventory awal, right? So we write down here inventory awal. Okay, so and then my note here, which is a record to the second column, right? So inventory awal, how much? So you see here, you got the inventory. So which one is a represent inventory awal? Who can type for teacher? Yes, very good, Wasim. Very good, Joshua. 14600. Okay, so let's continue. Then going to belian, correct? So we write down here belian. Can Okay, so for belian, so please take note also for belian. Please take note also. We are not taking the belian from the buku tunai here. Okay, so that's why a lot of the students, right, they didn't are familiar with this topic. So sure they take the 26700 from the Buku tonight. So you see in the beginning, then wrong already, how you get the marks, right? Okay, so please, this one, which is a refer step 5. Oops, refer step 5. Okay, so please do the note over here. For boolean, refer step 5, which is why the reason we need to do the jumlah boolean. Okay, so this figure is for record to the AP, then you are. Yes. All understand? And then you see my booleans, right, in the first column, isn't it? So then you record to the first column. Can? Okay, then after that, after the boolean, come everyone, so please take note now. Don't play phone or reply message anything. So focus on the screen here. So after the boolean, I believe all of you, then you know dolak pulangan belian or dolak pulangan keluar, isn't it? So this question got the pulangan belian, pulangan keluar not? Yes or no? Come, you may write down Y or N. Yes or no? Come, online student. Everyone must answer my question. Otherwise, then some of you parents, right, they will ask me every 2 weeks, how is your performance lah? Got study seriously or not lah? So I just honestly, based on your performance, then to answer your parents, yeah? Okay, very good, Joshua. Knows, right? Very good, Kitasha. So if no, right? So of course, no, usually then, we cannot like write down here dollar pulangan belian and then put it the 0 over here. Not allowed, yeah. Not allowed, yeah. So what you need to do, which is then you skip for this information. Okay? So once you skip this information, right? Okay. So you don't have to, please take note, everyone. Even you understand, but you have to know how to do it. So you don't have the tolak pulangan belian, automatic don't have the belian per se. Again, you don't have the tolak pulangan belian, automatic you don't have the pulangan per se. Yes, very good. Wait, Okay, so next continue. After belian besar, right, it should be tanpa audi, isn't it? Okay, AUDI, correct? Tanpa audi. So A stand for anggota masuk. Let's check this question. Do we have the anggota masuk? Yes or no? Come, everyone. Answer my question. Yes or no? You may write out Y or N. 10号 okay ah? 10号. Jaden, is it okay for you? Rachel, is it okay? Okay, yeah? Oh, still lagi ah? How about others? Is it feel like no? Oh, okay, okay, Rachel, you can no lagi, right? How about others? Oh, okay, Kidesha, no lagi already, no lagi anymore. Okay, okay. So maybe for 10号, right? Maybe you can check is it your one? Okay, you check through can yeah? Okay. Can hear. Okay, okay, sure, thank you. Okay, so now to update teacher, yeah, because you update teacher lah, can? Okay, so now you see angkutan masuk, right? Angkutan masuk. So and then let's check here. We got the angkutan masuk or not for the whole question. Angkutan masuk. Okay. If no, right? So no, that's why then you skip for angkutan masuk. Yeah, no need to show it. And then continue. Do we have the upah atas belian for the question over here? Yes or no? No, right? We can't find it. Okay, so then you cancel. Okay, next continue. After that, the format, which is the duty atas belian or duty import. Do we have the duty atas belian, duty import for the question here? No, right? Okay, very good, 10号. I get your answer now. Okay, so and the last one, we double checking. Do we have the insurance atas belian? Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? No, right? Okay, we can't find, right? If no, then skip. Okay, so now if let's say, please everyone take note again here. If you don't have the Audi, A-U-D-I, Audi, so automatic don't have the cost per lian. Okay, you don't have the Audi, automatic you don't have the cost per lian. So that's why for those who with teacher form 4, right, the basic is very important. You must memorize. Come to the form 5 chapter 2, they got a bit changing. Understand? Okay, after that, the cost per lian. So continue, which is a cost barang untuk dijual. We must got the cost barang untuk dijual every time. For your AP dan UR, you must find cost barang untuk dijual yourself. This one must, yeah. Okay, this one must, yeah. Cannot skip, yeah. Okay, so which means then you add on over here, cost barang untuk dijual. Okay, so you write down here. Okay, and then after that, cost barang untuk dijual here, right? So you see how to get this one, cost barang untuk dijual. This one, 31253. Again, so please look properly, this one. 31253. How to get this one? 31253. Who can explain to the teacher? How to get it?
Belian plus inventory awal.
Yeah, so which is the cost belian plus inventory awal, then equals to the cost barang dijual. Right? Again, you see, inventory awal plus cost belian, then equals to the cost barang untuk dijual. So your previously how you did your form 4, isn't it? Okay, so but for this question, you don't have the cost belian, right? So you don't have the cost belian, then how? Then your belian, this one's right, you move to the middle column. Okay, so the belian, this one, the figure belian, it is a flexible, can record to the first column or the second column. Okay, so that's why you all must do much exercise to make it familiar. One record to the first column, one record to the second column. Okay, so if first column you got the pulangan belian, then you record to the first column. No? If you got the Audi, also record to the first column. Understand here? If let's say you don't have the pulangan belian, you don't have the Audi, then your belian can bring to the second column. Understand here, yeah? Okay, again, teacher re-explain again, because I just explained this time, Okay, so the next time I won't be explain again. When come to the Form 5, Chapter 4, you will do again AP than you are. So please better you solve the problem and you make sure you know this one. Otherwise, the Form Chapter 4, right, you still blah, 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 blah. Okay, so and then can't get a good result. Okay, come back here. You see, this one, the boolean, isn't it? So for this one, if let's when record to the first column, if you got the pulangan boolean, if you got the Audi, yeah, then you can put to the first column. So like this question, we don't have the pulangan boolean, don't have the Audi also. So your boolean, please move to the second column. Understand here? Okay, okay, so now then we move to the second column. Okay, so then continue total up. So the cost barang untuk dijual, you total up with your inventory awal. How much is it? 64480. Okay, others, is that correct? Okay. So next continue after cost barang untuk dijual. So you see, then you refer lo, tolak inventory RQ. So during the class, I can show you, always show you, 100% show you the format for you to refer and answer my question. But in exam, no. Okay, inventory RQ, how much is it? Inventory RQ.
134.
So, yeah, RQ, of course, we take the direct RQ, 13400. So, 13400. Okay, so you write down here. Bracket lo, tolak. How much equals? Okay, thanks, Joshua. 51080. Okay, so and then this one will call after the inventory RQ, then we call apa? So after the inventory RQ, we call cost jualan. Yes, very good. Okay, so we write down here cost jualan. So for cost jualan, this one's right, we must bracket, yeah. Okay, so and then after that, you use your jualan bersih, then minus your cost jualan. So how much equals?
What is the jualan bersih?
Jualan bersih 62100. 11020. Okay, thanks, Shihao. Thanks, Jaden. Okay, so positive, then we call untung kasa. Yes, very good. Negative, we change to rugi kasa as the nota here. Can ya? And then remaining no, tanpa hasil. Then you write down here tanpa hasil. Okay, so for tanpa hasil, right? So please write down here, where do we find the hasil, isn't it? So please refer penerimaan, okay, or buku dunai sebelah debit. Okay, refer the you got the two option, penerimaan, buku dunai, or penerimaan, kan? And of course, always included the maklumat tambahan. Always refer maklumat tambahan 2. Okay, so please remember, yeah. Okay, can everyone can follow? Everyone, come, everyone can follow. Maybe you can give it a good or okay. Can I? Okay, very good, Jaden. Very good, Shihao. How about others? Others? Kitasha, Wasim. Who else? Rachel. Is it okay? Okay, very good. Yes, okay. Can okay. Okay, now, so firstly, you see, refer penerimaan. Refer penerimaan. So since this question, right, no penerimaan, then how? So you see second option, slash. Buku dunai. BT stand for buku dunai. Okay. And then DT stand for debit side. This one. You got a 4 butiran here. So you ask yourself, is BB hasil? Yes or no? Come everyone, answer my question. Is BB hasil? No, right? Okay. So next, is modal hasil? No, modal is under equity pemilik. Is jualan hasil? No, actually it's yes lah, because but we already record in on the top here. Okay. So next is ABT hasil. No, okay. So next continue. Double checking your maklumat tambahan also, which means the step one. So we go to find the step one by one. The third column here. You see, can you see the hasil over here? Discount diterima 980, isn't it? So then you copy paste discount diterima 980 right down here lor. Discount diterima 980. Okay. After that, double checking again, make sure got others hasil or not. So for the third column over here, hasil. Okay, hasil. Okay, got or not? No. Right? So which means you only one. So that's why the 980 we put to the third column. Very good. So after that, you try to total up. How much is it? 11020 plus your 980 equals to 12000. Okay. Understand, yeah? Okay. So after hasil, right? So which is dollar belanja. Very good. So dollar belanja. I know most of you, then you know lah. After the hasil is dollar belanja, isn't it? But you have to make sure where to get the answer here, the belanja answer here. So actually it's the opposite. What do I mean opposite? You see here on the top here is refer penerimaan, isn't it? Okay, refer penerimaan. So here you change to refer pembayaran. Okay, so you write down here refer pembayaran and then slash and then or the other way to find it, which is the BT. Still same buku tunai, but debit we change to credit. So you write down here loh, BT, then we change to credit. Okay, understand? Huh? And then of course included your maklumat tambahan also. Refer your maklumat tambahan also. Can ya? Okay. Okay, now, firstly, you see, we check the pembayar. So that's why you got a lot of things then you have to memorize. Yeah, I can't help you to memorizing. I can't help you for the speed up the time. I mean the exercise, complete the one question. Okay, so these all things you must put effort yourself. Okay, for teacher, I just let you know, guide you how to do, for you to understanding where to get the figure. Okay, everyone. Okay, so you see refer pembayaran. So this question, we don't have the pembayaran. So can you see the slash here? The second option, BT, which is a buku tunai. KT, which is a credit side over here. A lot, right? So you have to ask yourself one by one. Is pinjaman belanja? Yes or no? No, that is the liability. Okay. So next is kada bayaran belanja. Yes, right. That's why your Form 4 Chapter 2, you must know clearly. For those who the Form 4 fail already, the final exam, teacher advise you to, you got the two options, must study. Okay, either you study yourself or you join the Form 4 class also. Can? Okay, kada bayaran. So, is it copy this one, 1450? We always take the latest one. So still remember. So we did last week already or last 2 weeks. Can you see this one? Kada bayaran 1530. We do the amended already. So can you see this one? AP dan your belanja 1530. So that's why we need to do the kada bayaran here 1530. We always take the latest one. Wait me a while. Where's my right down here 1530. So this one refer the maklumat tambahan ya. Okay, next perabot. Continue. Come everyone. Is perabot belanja? No, right? Okay, this one is the ABS. Is ABB belanja? No, that one is the liability. Is ambulan belanja? No, that one is the equity permit. Like, very good, Joshua. Is belanja belanja? Yes, very good. Okay, so I highlight first. We discuss all first. Is gaji belanja? Yes, okay, very good. Next is belian belanja. Actually, it's yes. That one is a belanja operasi. Because you got the two belanja ma. Form 2, you learn Form 4, chapter 2, you learn the details belanja operasi, belanja bukan operasi, isn't it? For those who forgot already, please refer back. Okay, so for belian, yes, that one is a belanja, but we already record under the cost jualan this part. Okay, so we don't record anymore. Okay, next continue. Insurance, is insurance belanja? Yes, okay, so we record later on. Okay, continue. Is ABT belanja? No, that one is the asset. Okay, so asset semasa. Is alat tulis belanja? Yes, for those who say no, please, alat tulis is belanja. Inventory alat tulis is asset. Okay, so this one which mean is how much you spend. Okay, inventory which mean yang belum habis digunakan. Okay, faedah pinjaman, is faedah pinjaman belanja? Yes, faedah, interest. Okay, one of the belanja. Okay, now we copy paste all. So belanja and then gaji, and then after that insurance, and then after that alat tulis, faedah, pinjaman, right? Okay, I don't put the figure here because I want to double checking maklumat tambahan. Understand here? Okay now everyone? So we check through here maklumat tambahan. So which one is the belanja? Yeah, faedah atas pinjaman, isn't it? So 1320, we should take the latest one, 1320. So we write down there 1320. Okay, this one. Oh, understand? Why we take the 1320 rather than the 650? You all understand? Because we have and we must take the sebenar. Supposedly you should pay. How much is it? Okay, so continue. AP dan UR, pertambahan PHR, right? So you see belanja 460. So you add on here lo, pertambahan PHR 460. Okay, so next continue. Then you got a AP dan UR belanja here. No, that one done already. This one, susut nilai perabot, isn't it? 1025, 1025. So we write down here 1025. Okay, can okay, so next continue. After that, double checking. Any else? Belanja, yeah. Just now we did already. And then we got the insurance 1002, correct? Okay, and then some more. Susut nilai kenderaan 5,000, right? So you write down here.
I think the insurance not put there.
Yeah. 1,002, and then insurance 1,002, and then kenderaan 5,000. So double checking again. Alat tulis, and the last one alat tulis 425, isn't it? So you write down here 425. Okay, so for belanja gaji, right, we don't have the pelarasan, which means then you take the existing one. So 840 and gaji 7,000 like that. Okay, total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Come, total up. Who can give it the total?
18,800.
18,800. Okay, so after that, use your 12,000 minus your 18,800, then equals to Negative 6,800. Am I right? Okay, thanks, Wasim. So this one I should put, yeah, very good, Joshua, which is called rugi bersih. Rugi bersih. Can you understand? Okay, so the way how to do for your AP dan you are like this method. Okay, so now after this one, AP dan you are right, for your previously you learned, of course, is doing the PKK, correct? Okay, but for Form 4 Chapter 2, Kaedah Analysis, you can't do the PKK after AP dan you are. Okay, why? Because you have to find, which is a step 7. I write down here. Step 7, you have to find your, wait me, my breath, like already my breath. Modal awal. You have to find the modal awal, step 7. Because why? Your PKK, you got a modal, isn't it? You're under your equity per million, right? But for this question, right, never show you modal, how much is it? Not never lah, 99% no showing you, 99%. The other 1% is you are so good luck lah. Okay, so how to find the modal awal? Form 4 chapter 2 you learn already. Come. Online student. Online student, Jaden, Joshua, Kitasha, Rachel, Shihao, Wasim, come everyone, you can short form to me. I just can give you the tips. It is the same formula with your Form 4 Chapter 2, modal awal. Who able to give me the answer? Come, give you a kiss. No lah, just kidding. Come. Okay, Kitasha, very good, you are right. Yeah, how about others? Joshua, Rachel, Shihao, Wasim, Jaden? Okay, I write down here. Modal awal equals to, okay, so Form 4 Chapter 2. Write down there. Asset awal minus liability awal. Okay, so please put a big star here. You see, I asked you to put a big star, right? Still got a student not willing to put a big star. Just look for the screen there. Yeah. For last year, right, I got a 2 student, I'm so sad one. Okay, so this one put a big star. Why? 100% use it in your paper 1. 100%. Okay, so what I give you the tips, right? If you don't believe, yeah, sure, it's okay. You no need to listening, but I'm sure you feel in the exam. Okay, so next you see asset awal minus liability awal. Awal. Of course, we take the direct awal, which means we just focus on the direct awal. Okay, so which is this column. Can everyone okay? So and then wait me a while. I changed this one. Okay, so after that, so please, okay, then after that, then you give me the asset loh. Which one is asset? Kendaraan, perabot, inventory, ABT, isn't it? And then bank, insurance, prabayar, and then inventory alat tulis. Yes, okay. So then what you need to do, which is, then you write down loh, RM 70,000 plus. This one I show you only lah, the jalan kerja. But in exam, right, they seldom ask you to do modal awal. Okay, but you still need to find yourself here. So you just do the quick way lah. You don't need to show the proper answer here, which is right, like the teacher show you here, 70,000 plus 8,006, and then plus 14,600 plus 8,300, and then plus 25,600 plus 65. Okay, and then minus your liability awal 10,900 minus your kada bayaran belum bayar 280 minus your pinjaman 16,500. So how much it costs? Who can give you the answer?
Nine
99485. Okay, thanks, Joshua. Okay, so what I mean is in exam, okay, so they don't usually lah, okay, they don't ask you to do modal awal. So which mean, but you have to do your own, yeah. Okay, you must remember to do yourself. So you can do the quick way. You no need to do proper one. So which mean you just modal awal and then show the figure. That's it. Okay, because why? Even you write down the proper one, right? Okay, so but the question no mention, of course you can't get any marks, even you correct. So please remember of it. So you better you save the time and then to do the others. Okay, yeah? Okay, so actually, how about if let's say they ask you to do the penyata. Okay, let's say I show you here. Wait me a while. Who get the first midterm exam date, right? So to update teacher here, okay? So I try to plan, usually it's after the class, right? Exam after the before the school holiday, right? I think your school holiday in June, isn't it?
Yeah.
June 5th, no, May, end of the May and then early of the June. Okay, so if like that, I also hard to do the extra class to you all. The usually teacher do the school holiday program during the school holiday. Okay, okay, now come back here. You see, if let's say Anda dikehendaki, okay, they ask you to menyediakan, okay, so new penyata mengira modal AQ. If let's say they ask you to show the modal AQ, right? So how to do, if like this one, penyata, which means you must bring the format. Okay, you must bring through the format. How to do bring through the format? So come, I show you here. I teach together just in case the exam asking you. Yeah, teacher teach you the two way. Either you can do it in the formula, okay? So if let's say the question never asks you to do the format, okay? So if the question asking you to do the format, of course they will giving you the maybe the 4 marks or 3 marks only, like this one. Usually it's a 4 marks lah. Okay? Okay, yeah? Okay. So now after that, so how to do mengira? Wait me a while. Typing. Okay, so you see, which is we know that asset awal minus liability awal, right? Okay, so you write down here, look, asset awal. like this one. Okay, after that, tolak liability awal. Okay, so after that, you see asset awal. So you copy paste. So if like this one's right, asking you to do the format. So you all the asset, then you have to one by one to key in, copy paste, kenderaan, perabot, and then inventory. Okay, so account belum terima. Any else? Bank, and then insurance, prabayar. Okay, so inventory, alat tulis, right? Okay, so then you put copy paste only 70,000, 8,006, 14,600, 8,003. 25,600. Insurance prabayar don't have, then you clear. So because zero, no need to show it. Insurance alat, inventory alat tulis, which is a 65. So you try to total up all here. So how much? In liability awal, we got the kaedah bayaran, belum bayar. And then account belum bayar, pinjaman 16,500, ABB which is a 10,900, kaedah bayaran belum bayar 280. How much the total asset?
127,165.
127
165.
165. Okay, so the total LS
2768.
680. Okay, so why we need to dollar, right? Because here already mentioned dollar. So that's why we need to do bracket here, dollar. So that's why we need to do bracket over here. Okay, yeah. So how much is that equals to the 99485? Okay. So this one you write down here, modal awal. I typing already, I'm not modal awal. Typo again. Change to the modal awal. This one, my title wrong again. Modal awal. Okay, everyone. So you see, no matter you're using the formula or you're using the format, right? So at the end, the modal awal, it's the same 99485. Okay, so depends on the soalan. Sometimes you will see they will ask you, you see 4 marks, right? So of course, this one total 1 mark, and then total liability hour 1 mark, and modal hour 1 mark. So that's why just now I said usually it's a 3 marks. Okay, this is the simple one, yeah. Okay, if let's say they show you, if for those who try already start do the past year question, the state, right? Okay, so that one they will giving you the additional one called susut nilai terkumpul kenderaan. Okay, so for if let's say you see teacher teach you too much message, right? You have to understand. Okay, so you see if let's say susut nilai terkumpul, okay, kenderaan, and then write down here maybe kenderaan here maybe 1,000. Okay, how to do if like this one? So if you susut nilai terkumpul, we know that is minus, right? Okay, so you please put under the here. Tolak susut nilai terkumpul kenderaan. If you got the susut nilai terkumpul, which means you have to do one more column RM. Okay, one more column RM. No need, sorry. So which means you do it here, the first column. kenderaan 70,000, and then bracket, which is the 1,000. Okay, so then will be 69,000 over here. Then you change 69,000, you move it to the last column like that. Just a bit different lah. Okay, if got the S and T. But for your the basic, right? So then usually don't giving you the susun united combo. But please take note here for your SPM, right? Sebenar, included the trial exam, they will like the one questions, right? So for malabar tambahan a lot here. So maybe 1 to 2, it is from the K, but the transaction is from the K, but so that's why teacher giving you the additional one. Since your group here is an expert one. Okay, so please take note now. For those who don't understand, it's confusing, it's too much message delivery to you. So you just focus on the basic first. What I mean is the basic. So you just remember for the step 7, you must do the modal awal by using this formula. Enough. Okay. 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 So, and then please take note here. Do the bracket here. Put a big style here. Remember to include it bank. Okay. Must include the bank. Baki BB. Okay, why teacher write down here must include it and mention over here? Okay, the reason is for those who got the already tried to do much exercise for this question. Okay, so sometimes, right, the bank here, you see, this one, the question is very good to you, very kind to you. Why? Because bank already mentioned in your 1st January 25600. Again, for this question is very good to you. Why? Because the bank here already show you under 1st January 25600. Okay, but some questions, right, they keep silent. They don't mention over here. Okay, you have to find yourself. You must find yourself because asset awal it is included bank awal. Where to find? Buku tunai, BB. So this one is, you see luangan bank ma. So BB. Can you see the 25600 here? Okay. So you got the 2 way to find the bank, yeah. Maybe you can write down over here, yeah. You do the note yourself, Okay. I can't write down too much to you because you will blah a lot. Okay. So again, you must check your bank BB. Where is it? Because sometimes your bank, right, not in the bagi BB column here, like this one. Okay, sometimes silent mood here. So you still need to find yourself. You must do carefully. So way to find it from the buku tunai. Okay, bank ma, and then BB. So 25600. Like that all? Understand? But this question is very good lah. Show you both 25600, 25600. Understand? Please, everyone, take note there. That's why one teacher asks you to do revision. Don't close the book, but not much student follow my advice. Okay? So after step 7 done already, we go through the step 8. Okay? Is it step 8 doing the PKK already? No. Okay? You have to find the bank HB. Now, bank baki HB now. You know the bank buku dunai? You already done in your form 4 chapter 5, form 4 chapter 4, right? Yeah, form 4 chapter 4, the buku dunai. The way how you doing the closing account, same lo. Okay, so you have to find the bank HB. I teach you the formula, yeah. I don't want to teach you the formula. Teach you the form 4 first. Not teach you. Revision. Can you see this one, buku tunai? The bank here, buku tunai, can you see? Okay, come. We try. Remember how to do the closing part? Oh, remember how to do the closing part, everyone? Some say yes, some say no, right? Okay, with me. total box. Okay. So come for those who not familiar or forgot already how to closing part, you must know, yeah. Okay, come everyone. This one, the total, how much is it? Debit side total, how much? Which means 25600 plus 5,000 plus 28500 plus 500. The total which is 93600. Again, how to get 93600? Which means you total up all here, 25600 plus 5,000 plus 28500 plus 34500. So it is a total 93600, isn't it? And then next, you try to total up here, starting from 1,005, total up until 650. How much?
67180.
67180. Right? So everyone, I know the account is quite harder. So please, since you all take account already, at least you must get the credit. Okay? So, and then this one, you see, the total debit 93600. Total credit 67180. Of course, the total box, we must put the biggest number, which is 93600. And then 93600. Okay. After that, use your 93600. Come, everyone. This one, 93600 minus the smaller total, 67180. Again, use your total box here minus your smaller total. So how much left?
26420.
26420. So that one will be your Baki HB. Yes, very good. So you write down here, Baki HB. And then
26420.
6420, like that. Okay. HB must bring forward to the BB, right? So you write down here, Baki BB. 26420. Okay. So you see your BB in debit side. That means asset or overdraft. BB in debit side. Yes. Okay. So then you know already, the bank for your HB, we know that it is a 26420. This one will be recorded to your PKK asset semasa. Why? Because the latest Baki BB di sebelah debit. Meanwhile, asset semasa. So you see, this one also come back to your Form 4, Chapter 4. For those who knew your friends who is studying the Form 4 this year, please advise them to study seriously. Yeah. Online student, okay. For this one, how to get the 26420? Jaden, Joshua, Kitesha, Rachel, Shiha, Wasim? Can? Is it okay? Any question? Okay, very good, Jaden. How about others? Shiha, very good. Rachel, okay. Wasim, okay. Yeah, okay. Can? So maybe you ask teacher, how about the other way to do it? Yeah, okay. I give you the formulas. Yeah. Okay, I give you the formulas. Baki HB Bank. So the formula which is BB plus O penerimaan minus O pembayaran. Or, okay, the other formula, sorry. BB plus O buku dunai sebelah debit minus O buku dunai sebelah credit. Can see the difference. So you see, this question come back here. This question either penerimaan or buku dunai lah. So since this question provide you the buku dunai, right? Okay, so that's why we use the second formula, BB since you're already giving you the BB 25600, then you just BB 25600. And then plus all buku tunai, of course, all buku tunai debit here lah. This one is included already, then you don't double plus. Some of my students, right, how do they write, you know? How do they do, you know? So the BB, then here, bank 25600. So because 1st January represent BB, 1st January is represent BB. Okay, so they write down here 256. And then since the teacher write down here plus all buku tunai debit, so plus again 25600, write down here 25600 plus 5,000 blah blah blah. So please be careful. This one BB and this one BB, they are the same meaning, which means you just take one time enough. Take one time enough. Please remember, yeah. Okay, so you may try to do it. Okay, 25600 plus the 5,000 plus 28500 plus 34500, and then minus your buku tunai sebelah credit all here from the pinjaman until faedah pinjaman. Is that still equals to the 26420? Come, you checking? Check it, check it. You use this one, 25600 plus all here, and then minus all here. Is that still equals to the 26420? Come double checking. For those who different, which mean either this answer wrong or you do careless here. Can I? Come everyone, checking first before I move to the last step. Can I? Who can get the 26420 can give me a reply, or maybe you get the different figure many times already after you did, then you do update teacher. 26420,
Yeah.
okay, still same, right? Okay, so which means no matter you must make sure no matter you're using just now the method format, the method, okay, the closing part in the ledger here, or you're using the formula, so the figure, the answer must be same. Okay, yeah? Okay, yeah? So if let's say maybe you say, teacher, how about just in case I do, which is a bracket here, so then you change to LS, so that means overdraft bank, overdraft bank. Okay, yeah? Okay, so now continue. We go through the last step. Okay, why teacher provide you the two formulas, right? Penerimaan pembayaran. So maybe you can go to the other question. Maybe you can go search up the other question, which is the you see this one, which is a page 59. Page 59. Okay, can you see the page 59? So they don't provide you the buku tunai anymore for this question. They provide you the penerimaan and the pembayaran, right? So which means it is same. It is same. Okay, can? So you can use the first formula. That's why based on the teacher experience, I try to give you the maximum formulas and then the maximums tips to you all. Can? Yeah, so maybe for those, right, you maybe after you we do complete this one, you must make sure you did two questions at least two times for this question. After okay already, you can go to try to do the page 59. You can go to try page 59 yourself. Okay, yeah? Okay, now go through this one. Come back this one, Kim. Okay, so step 8, after you're done with step 8, which is the going to the step 9 already. So last step already. So which is that you can do the PKK. Okay, you can start to do the PKK. PKK actually is the same with your Form 4. Same with your Form 4. Okay. So you see, first column you must label cost, you must label susut nilai. Second column you must label susut nilai terkumpul. Third column you must label the nilai buku. This one is fixed already because just now teacher said it is totally same with your Form 4. Form 4. Okay. So that's why you write down here cost, label, and then susut nilai terkumpul. Third nilai buku. Okay? Okay, yeah. And then the category, the first category, of course, is starting from the ABS. ABS. So you write down here as that bukan semasa. Can So you see, since the question, right, which is the 31st December 2017, so please refer your this column, 31st December 2017. Understand here? So which one is the ABS? Come, everyone, give me the answer. Kenderaan, yeah, very good. Some more? Perabot, yes, very good. So we write down here, perabot. Okay, so kenderaan, this one's for your perabot, we don't know. Kenderaan is 65,000. You see, this one 65,000. Please put into as your nilai buku. Nilai buku. Okay, not the cost, yeah, because why? You see, this one, 1st January, which is a 70,000, and end of the year, 65,000. That's why this one is a represent nilai buku. Understand? Okay, so how to know, okay, yeah? So, and then for the, you want to find the cost, you want to find the S&T, right? So the S&T refer your step 1. Okay, so can you see the step 1, susut nilai kenderaan? We did the additional one here. Can see here? So which is a 5,000. We already write down to the PKK, ABS, right? Okay, so I write down here. $5,000 bracket. Okay, so this one, how to get this one? Can you know the cost?
Plus.
Yes, okay, you want to know this one, the first one, so which means opposite lo, plus. So jadi 70,000. The way how to do, a bit different. Format is same, just put the figure, is not directly already. Okay, how about the perabot? So you see the perabot we did already, you see this one is a 8,006, isn't it? And then here, this one, we got a perabot 3,003, isn't it? So what does it mean? For those who absent last week and the last 2 weeks, right? So please refer back. Or for those who even you joined the class, but you forgot everything. So you see 8,006, which is the last year, bring forward to this year. Okay? 3,003, you refer the maklumat tambahan baru dibeli. Okay? So in the beginning, you got 8,006. And then for the in July 1st, right, you purchase the new one. So how much you have end of the year? You see, again, this phone, can see my phone here. Okay, so for this phone, yearly of the beginning, so the phone which is 8,006. Okay, then after that, teacher, on July, so first I purchased the new one. Can see, I purchased the new one, which is a 3,003. So now, end of the year, how much I got a 2 unit lor. The phone can see here, sorry. Can see 2 unit. So how much is it for the 2 unit here? Understand? So which means you have to, yes, total up. So which is a 8,006 plus 3,003. That's why this is the harder one. Okay, so that's why teacher always mention form 4 format must memorize. Otherwise, now you not only memorize the format, you have to memorize, you have to learn and remember understanding the new one. Okay, yeah? Okay, so don't give up these chapters, yeah. Okay, I already give you the tips, yeah. So which is 11900, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then SNT lah. Form the soalan. No, you do already in your step 1. So which is, can you see this one? PKK ABS 1025, right? So you put there 1025 right down here. Okay, then tolak how much?
10,807.
10,875. Okay, so just do ABS, then total up. 75875. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So after ABS, going to, yes, asset semasa. Come back to this question, this part also. Come back to this part also. Okay, please remember, always focus on this part also. Okay, then based on here, which one is AS? Inventory, yeah, very good. Some more? ABT, yeah, some more? Bank, yes, very good. Some more?
Inventory.
Inventory alat tulis, yes. One more?
Oh, insurance.
Prabaya. As long as, one more share with you. I got personal class student. Till now, they don't know Prabaya is should record to the PKK under AS. So please, you must memorize. For your foundation, must solid. Okay? So Prabaya, PKK, AS. You don't tell me, teacher, I need to memorize the last minute blah, blah, blah. Okay? Not possible. Even last minute. Now, giving you time, then you cannot memorize. Then, how to imagine your last minute? Okay? So now, you see, so which is a 4, right? Inventory RQ, ABT, bank, insurance, Prabaya, inventory alat tulis, isn't it? So we copy lo. Inventory RQ. And then account belum terima. After that, bank, insurance, Prabaya, inventory RQ, alat tulis. Okay, so inventory alat tulis 40. Why not we don't put the record, take the 65, you know? Because this one is the 1st January 2017, but your PKK, what date? Yeah, your PKK, which is the 31st December 2017, 31st December 2017. So which means not take from the 1st January information. Okay, so next continue. Your insurance Prabaya 240. Your bank, you see question mark, where to get? How to get? Refer step 8. Remember what we did just now? The bank over here, 26420, right? So this is the reason why I asked you to do many steps. For your school teacher, right? Most of the school teacher, they don't giving you so much step there. Okay, after they did the AP then you are, yeah, it's true. Your school teacher direct ask you to do the PKK. But when come to the bank here, they will put away here and then they will do it over here, right? The symbol one, the calculation part, no, provide you the formula and then teach you properly. So how to get the 26420 like that. So that's why you all blur lor. So you imagine the question is very hard to you, and then somehow you don't understand where to get it, you confused already. So that's why teacher, my teaching method, I giving you the step, So you just follow my steps, sure you're able to get it. Just maybe for first time, you already conduct 2 hours. Then it's okay. Okay, good try. Okay? Okay, so this one is a refer. Please write down there, step 8. Okay? So next ABT, which is the 9,200. Maybe you ask teacher why the 9,200 put to the first column. Come, give you the tips.
minus PHR.
Yes. Why the 9,200 we put to the first column? Because, so you see, this is the couple. ABT must couple with the PHR. They love each other. They always stick together. ABT minus PHR. So you must bring forward to the PHR. So you write down here, dollar PHR. Okay. So where to get this one PHR? From your maklumat tambahan. So this is the hardest one. If you imagine you didn't memorize properly, so sure you forgot, or you are the careless one, you forgot to bring this one PHR lor. Understand here? 460. Okay, yeah? Where is it? My phone. Okay. Wait me a while. Here. So you minus 460. Okay, everyone. So how much equals?
8741.
8740. Okay. So inventory RQ, we take RQ 13400. Can ah? Okay, so you total up here
488.
48840. Okay. Can ah? Okay, after access semasa, then going to format fixed already, dollar liability semasa. So you write down here, dollar liability semasa. Okay, okay, so liability semasa, then which account is under liability semasa?
ABB.
ABB sama?
Kaedah bayaran belum bayar.
Kaedah bayaran belum bayar sama? Okay, so maybe for some of you then say no more, right? So I write down here ABB, which is 11,800. You know why we take 11,800 rather than the 10,900? Because the date, your PKK is 31st December. That's why we take the 31st December. Okay, so continue. Kaedah bayaran belum bayar. 360. Okay, can actually got one more. The new for you, but I'm not going to explain to you today because I need to take at least 20 minutes. Okay, so sure, I believe you all blur already, right? Too much new things for you, all right? Even Form 4 you learn already lah, but you want to apply to the one question, so you look blur already. Okay, actually, I can give you one more tips, which is pinjaman. But I'm not going to explain to you. Okay, so I will explain to you next week. Please join the class next week. I will complete next week the first half an hour, and then I will teach you the Kaedah perbandingan already. Okay, so because why the pinjaman? Usually your Form 4 pinjaman it is under LBS isn't it? Okay, yeah, it's true. Your form, this is the why your Form 4 basic foundation must solid, right? Okay, so but for the Form 5 chapter 2, starting Form 5 chapter 2 and your every exam, most of the exam, right? So the pinjaman show under LS and one more pinjaman under LBS. for your every exam, Form 5 every exam. Okay, so for give you the tips, because the beginning and the ending different. So that's why we do other method. Okay, do different method to give the answer. Okay, yeah, but I'm not going to explain to you. So please join the class next week, and please at least you must know all the steps. Okay, and you try already, okay, 2 questions, sorry, 2 times at least, you must familiar with the format, and then pelarasan. Okay, so included the account kawalan belum terima. Maybe some of you even know the putiran here, but you have to know the way to find it. Okay, with the note teacher provide to you, sure, mostly you're able to get it, but in exam, sorry, come from your memorizing. Okay, even your all the step also. Can, yeah? Okay, so I will see you next Sunday, 4:30 also. Any question before I move to I end the meeting? Teacher will upload by tomorrow morning, yeah. After I upload, sure I will giving you the link again. It's the same link. Okay, yeah. Everyone okay? Okay, yeah? No, Okay, so see you next Sunday. Bye bye everyone. Have a good day. Bye.